Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today I'm unboxing this Logitech MX Master 3S Bluetooth mouse and wireless mouse also, because I bought a Windows edition just because one thing, because as y'all saw on the last video we unboxed the new MacBook Pro 16-inch M2 Pro processor computer, and I also have a PC with 4090, and I also have my work laptop Lenovo T14S Gen 2. So, and this mouse has capability to have three Bluetooth computers connected straight to it. So I decided why not to go with a wireless adapter on my PC since it doesn't have Bluetooth. Then with Bluetooth connect to my new Mac and connect with my work computer. And here we go. And I heard a lot of good things about this mouse. It has a good grip, good comfort, ergonomics, good 8000 DPI sensor. Why not? And of course the legendary scroll wheels. So that's that. Let's dig into this. Yes. Ooh. The glue are strong here and leaves a mark and breaks. Yikes. I hate when they glue it too much. But anyways, what's important, it's what's in this little box. That is, la-da, man, I like the mouse already. Look at the mouse. All right, Logitech, bam, 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 on, or Bluetooth, bam, bam, bam. Nice, look at the design. I like the space gray on this. Well, it's silver, but yeah. I like the design of this mouse, really. And that scroll wheel. Hear the sound. Or you can press it. But I guess you need to do it vertical zoom. Oh yeah, it's definitely much more ergonomic than the Magic Mouse. Damn, it really holds in your hand, really. But okay, we'll test that out. What else in the box? We have the Logitech. How that thing called? Logitech USB. So we're gonna put it in my PC. Let's do that. Sorry you can't see that, but I'm gonna put it. You know what? I'm gonna put it later. Whatever. And here we have, I guess, charging cable. Yes, definitely. mxsetup.logic.com. We have great ultimate setup. Sounds cool. I like Logitech. Yes. We have USB to USB-C cable. I know that this Mac charger used to be USB-C to USB-C on the MX Master 3S for Mac Edition, but you know what? I have trillion other devices. For example, this wireless charger, which comes as USB-C, so I can just put that cable in and that's it, and then we're good to go, you know. So yeah, that's that. Here we have a battery removal for recycling. Whoa, nice. So you can recycle those batteries. For some reason I don't believe batteries at all are recyclable. At least some part of it really is. But anyways. And there's just nothing. So that's that. That was the unboxing of the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. And what now we need to do is take my old mouse, which was Logitech people. It was cool mouse, and just, you know, let's give this mouse some rest and use the new one. So yeah, we can even compare. This is similar to Magic Mouse. The Logitech people is similar to Magic Mouse. And now this. Damn. It's actually, maybe it's even not fair to compare. What do you think, guys? But yeah, this mouse worked. But yeah, this is the whole different thing. Okay, that was unboxing of the Logitech MX Master 3S. Thank you for watching. If you have any comment, if you have any ideas for new video, put it in the comments. Please like this video, because that really helps me. Share this video if you liked it, and subscribe, because I need you guys. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye.